Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's special Dusshera drawing tutorial, we are going to create a beautiful scene that depicts Lord Ram's victory over the king Ravan. This iconic moment symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. So, grab your art supplies and let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in portrait mode. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. In the end, you can use the color reference as shown. This will be your final result. You can use oil pastels or watercolors as your coloring medium to achieve the final output. This drawing is meant to develop your figure drawing skills, get a command on lines, and learn to create a form. This exercise will also boost your imaginative and creative approach. Let's begin. Let's start by sketching the basic scene. Begin by drawing an outline of Lord Ram standing with his bow and arrow. Ramji should be on the left side of the paper and make sure he is in a heroic pose. His pose is backwards threefold. Make sure to capture the essence of his divine appearance. Next sketch Ravan on the right side of the paper, depicting him in a defeated position. He should have 10 heads, which are his characteristic identity. For Ravan, emphasize his 10 heads and multiple arms. We are going to add a few accessories like his armor. Now for the most exciting part, coloring. Use your colored pencils or markers to bring this scene to life. Lord Ram is often depicted wearing orange and Ravan's skin is typically dark. Don't forget to color the accessories. For the background, we are going to sketch a simple battlefield with dark sky to bring out the tension in the atmosphere with a few clouds. In the background, we will draw a simple golden castle to depict Rama's gold Lanka. While coloring, remember, shading adds depth and dimension to your superhero. Think about where your light sources and shade accordingly. Use the coloring scheme and shading technique as shown. Don't forget to add small details and highlights. And there you have it, a beautiful drawing representing Lord Ram's victory over Ravan. This Dusshera, may we all find the strength to conquer the evil within ourselves and in the world. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep sketching and honing your skills. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit Creative Skill Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.